Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Der Arzt. In today's lesson, we are going to the doctor. Well, not literally, but we'll learn the German word for doctor. Der Arzt. Der Arzt. Der Arzt. Der Arzt. Der Arzt. Der Arzt is a masculine noun, whose plural form is die Ärzte. Keep in mind the umlaut that appears in the plural form. This noun refers to the male doctor, and the noun that refers to the female doctor is the feminine noun die Ärztin, whose plural form is die Ärztinnen. The plural form, die Ärzte, is often used to refer to many doctors of both sexes. Or, if they want to be precise, it is said die Ärztinnen und Ärzte. In the following examples, we will see both forms of this verb. Morgen habe ich einen Termin bei meiner Ärztin. Tomorrow I have an appointment with my doctor. Sie sollten den Arzt sofort anrufen. You should call the doctor right away. Monika ist krank. Wir müssen zum Arzt gehen. Monika is sick. We have to go to the doctor. Wenn ich groß bin, will ich Ärztin werden. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. Mein Arzt hat mir 2 Wochen Ruhe empfohlen. My doctor has recommended that I rest for 2 weeks. Die Ärzte haben versucht, sein Leben zu retten. The doctors have tried to save his life. It's good to note that, as in English, when we use the word Arzt or Ärztin to refer to someone's occupation, we don't use an article. So we have Sie ist Ärztin, she's a doctor, or Er ist Arzt, he's a doctor. Today we learned about the masculine noun der Arzt, meaning the doctor, whose plural form is die Ärzte. The feminine noun die Ärztin refers to a female doctor, whose plural form is die Ärztinnen. And the plural die Ärzte can be used to talk about many doctors of both genders. And now check your knowledge with a little Übung. In which sentences is the form of the noun Arzt, Ärztin, incorrect? What is the correct form? Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!